on our way toward the entrance of the Hoover Dam, and right here it says there is a checkpoint. We have to roll all of our windows down and prepare to stop. August 19th, 2019. I'm sorry, August 11th, 2019. Prepare to stop. There's a lot of security there. The line is kind of long, and I really didn't expect this. The Hoover security team. There's their shack, their office, and there's a security truck. Notice this area is monitored by 24-hour surveillance, video surveillance, no firearms. Okay. Operation of model aircraft is prohibited. No drones. Okay, well, here we go. I'm gonna be real quiet. I'm gonna put my phone down so you guys can hear everything that happens, okay? Here we go. We're almost there. And then we're going to ask them a few questions so you guys can hear what they say. So funny. We're the next car after this Durango.
Hey, how's it going? Logan. What's up with all the security here? It's just the Hoover Dam, right? Huh? Oh, okay. Well, we're going the right way to the Hoover Dam? Okay, thank you.